Hey there guys, here I have a Pacific padlock. You see that or not? It's a 100G padlock. The key code is 04544. Here's the key for it. On the key it says padlock. It's M15. Key code 04544 on the key, the back of it. Key retaining padlock. Let's see if I can pick it. I'm gonna use a tension wrench. Top of keyway. And a southward straight hook. Okay, I think pin number 5. Give me a small false set. Okay, I lost my false set. There it is again. This thing's full of security pins. Okay. Where are you at? Pin number 1. Okay. I think I may order setting. And there it is. I think he dropped back down on me. Okay. And there it is. And also I was going to talk about this Hillman powdered graphite lubricant. It says it protects against sticking, rust, freezing, weather use on metal, plastic, rubber, leather. But this is what I put in my locks. I wouldn't suggest WD-40 or any kind of lubricant. I would suggest this. Anyway, thanks for watching.